Hello everyone, wish you all a great and a happy 2023, and I'm here to give you a quick background about what iamneo achieved in 2022, because it was a very exciting year for us, and there were a lot of challenges and a lot of interesting things that we were doing in 2022. So a quick background on that. So we built a couple of products and new products that were getting launched. Also, we had a great tenure in terms of the volume of users who used our product. We marked roughly around 50,000 to 75,000 users per day on an average. So that's a large scale of users who came into our platform, and we were able to manage that efficiently, because we also partnered last year with Google Cloud, and we had an engagement with them where their engineers cooperated with us, and we had a lot of discussions going around where we built our product to handle any scale going further in the future. And we operate in a spectrum of the fresher out of the college till third year into their employment. So there are two university businesses that we deal with. One is a university and another one is a corporate. So we build products where we bring more curriculums and student skill development in terms of the student going from a fresher till fourth year of his college. And there were a lot of upskilling programs that were conducted. There were a lot of new engagements that we planned. One of the university conducted more than 5 lakh assessments in a quarter. That's a lot of volume in terms of upskilling that is happening, that is the industry is going towards. And of course, it doesn't happen without visibility. So there is a lot of reporting, analytics, and data science that we had to do in the background so that we could bring more value to our customers. So that was an interesting area in the university segment, while we were venturing into the corporate segment as well, where we were doing developer upskilling and developer identification in terms of a new product called Neo Hire. Apparently, we worked with one of our enterprise clients where we conducted a pan-India level hackathon where almost like 1 lakh users came into the platform, and we were able to go through a developer kind of a hackathon project and finally shortlist roughly around 1,000 qualified candidates, which the company wanted to onboard them as well. And interestingly, we found a new engagement where one of our clients wanted to create an engagement kind of a mechanism so that the number of offers that were delivered to the students, they get apprised about what the culture of the company is, how things happen in the company, what technology they do, and then give some projects related to those skill sets so that when they get onboarded into the company, they are well aware of what's going to be on the pie for them. So that's the other interesting area that we are continuously operating on. And all these came into picture because we had a vision of building something called a live resume. So we started channelizing all our efforts in terms of building projects and then deploying it in GitHub, code quality being done in Sonar Cloud, and even deploying a hackathon-based project where 4 to 5 developers can work together and build a project. So now what happens is, like, you're gone away from having a static paper resume to a live GitHub resume is what the future that we are looking forward in terms of a career path of a college or a university student and the career of an employee in an enterprise company. So that's a spectrum that we have been operating, and great interesting products in NeoCoder, where we do developer upskilling, Hire, where we do large scale pan in India and a global scale hiring process. And we were able to scale all of these technically because we were building a lot of components, microservices, serverless, and almost minimal infrastructure management because we were able to partner effectively with Google Cloud. So these were the things that we were doing in 2022. 2023 looks interesting. So we are going to expand these opportunities even further. And one of the interesting things that we found is we wanted to, can we look at a scale of going to schools where we start at some students who are at 8th standard so that they get a better projection when they come into college, and then college folks while they are in the college or universities, how do we create a developer community among them so that they nurture in terms of collaboration and communication in terms of building products. So that's the other spectrum that we are going to operate. And the enterprise area is where we are going to continue to build and nurture more employee upskilling, employee hiring at a large scale, and engagement process as an automation. So these are the things that we are looking at in 2023. And one other area that we found is everybody has a goal, or for an example, I could have a fitness goal, like I want to lose 10 kg. Similarly, a lot of students have an ambition of, I want to get placed in Microsoft, I want to get placed in Google, I want to get placed in Apple. So we want to nurture that information from that student and create an adaptive learning as a platform so that we give videos, make them understand about the culture of the company, and prepare them for all the technology skill set for the roles that they are envisioning for. So that's the area that we are going to spend in a lot of our data science team to build intelligent algorithms and models where we can channelize and create an adaptive learning for, because every student is different. So we want to understand that and build a platform which is scaling for all. So that's going to be an interesting 2023 for us. So looking forward for continued partnership with all the universities, our employees, and all the students who have been a great support of our platform for our growth and for our innovation. So we will continue to innovate. That's what 2023 is all about for us. Thank you again.